Okay, so hi, I'm Amina and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make whipped coffee. So whipped coffee is a great fluffy start to your day. Do you ever dream of having the best coffee at home, or how the cafes can make your coffee so creamy? I am here to show you how, and can you imagine with just 3 simple ingredients? Just 4 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of whipping cream. It can be any brand, any strength, and any type. I have an electric whisk, but you can just use a metal spoon and muscles because you'll have to be spinning for about an hour. That may take a while. This coffee could be hot or cold, your choice, and I'm going cold. Okay, so now we can start. So you'll need to start with your 4 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of your whipping cream. And of course your metal cup. So 1 tablespoon equals 5 milliliters, and I have them already pre-measured, and these small cups are 4 tablespoons or 20 milliliters, and now let's pour. So this is my 4 tablespoons of coffee, my 4 tablespoons of milk, and then my 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we can actually start using our electric whisk. Preferably it's 2 to 5 minutes, but I'm just gonna do it for 3 minutes. Isn't it getting frothy? Like I said in the beginning of the video, I picked frothy iced coffee. So I'm just gonna add a few more cubes to my cup. I have filled it with skim milk, but it can be any milk, any amount, or no milk at all. It's to your desire. So now I'm gonna be pouring my frothy iced coffee on top. So I've added my straw, and now you can leave or mix your milk, whichever you desire. Drink fast. Very delicious. We all waste too much money at cafes, and now we have no choice to go. So let's try our own delicious coffee. It will give you a morning jolt. May coffee give you a kick in quarantine. Leave a comment down below if you're gonna try this out. And also leave a comment telling me how good your whipped coffee is. Hit also the like button. Thanks for watching.